Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Tron TRX cryptocurrencies in the crypto market. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button now and complete my 2K subscriber. Thank you so much for subscribing our channel. Now let's see the live price prediction of previous 2 hours of TRX crypto in the crypto market. As you can see here, the change is absolutely good. Positive 1.18% change comes in a TRX crypto in the last previous 2 hours. As you can see here, the high price of TRX cryptocurrency in the market is $0.065231 is a high price of TRX in the previous 2 hours. As you can see the graph of TRX crypto, so they are jumping upward, but currently at this time they falls down. As you can see here, they falls down, so it's the best time to sell it and be safe from loss. As you can see here, now let's see the live prediction of last 1 hour of TRX. What's going in the last 1 hour of TRX in the crypto market? As you can see here, oh my god, in the last 1 hour I think it's a dumping time of TRX. It's the best time to sell it and be safe from loss. As you can see here, the change is positive 0.83%, but soon they are become a negative. As you can see here, their falling time start now, so they are falling, so it's the best time to sell it and be safe from loss. That is the live prediction of last 1 hour of TRX in a cryptocurrency market, as you can see here. And the high price of TRX cryptocurrencies is $0.065231, and now the current price of TRX cryptocurrencies in the market is $0.065072 is the current price of TRX in a crypto market. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrencies.